Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're working on a Volkswagen Rabbit MK5. It will be the same procedure for the Jetta MK5 with a 2.5 engine guys. We'll show you how to remove and replace the belt. We're talking about the alternator, water pump, belt. Okay, this one right here. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that now. In order to do that we'll need to remove the AC belt, so stay with us and we're going to take care of it, and next we can proceed to this one. Not very convenient to take a video, so we'll try our best and we'll share the diagram too in the middle of the video so you can figure it out guys and see where exactly the belt goes. Stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So first we need a 15mm socket and we're going to access the AC belt, okay, from right there. Okay, you can see that pulley, that's the one that we need to go, once you install the socket on it, you're going to go clockwise. Okay, let me check again. Actually counterclockwise, yes. Okay, it releases the pressure of the belt. Okay, you can see, and we're going to pull it off the AC compressor. Okay, the first belt is out. It's a small belt. Let me show you right there. So let's go ahead now to the second one. Second one, you can either do it from the top or bottom, but top is more convenient. I'm going to use a 15mm box wrench. Okay, you can see, and this is the tensioner pulley right here. This one right there. So on this one, let me see which way we need it to go. Okay, we go clockwise again. You can see the belt is off and we're going to let go now. Okay, it's still holding a little bit here on the alternator. Okay, now it's off all the way. We're going to pull the wrench out, and this is the belt guys. Okay, we'll have the diagram how to install that thing later because it's a mess. Okay, we're going to feed it through the AC down now. Okay, and we'll grab it from underneath. Okay guys, and this is the second belt out of there. Okay guys, so this is the best one we could find on the belt diagram that can demonstrate. This is the outside belt. The AC compressor goes to the crankshaft and to the tensioner pulley. But we first need to install the inner belt, okay, the one that moves the alternator and the water pump. So it's gonna go from the AC, okay, to that pulley, then alternator under the other pulley, okay, then water pump right here and go back to the tensioner pulley and down to the AC. So we're going to install it now. Okay guys, we installed the inner belt already. Okay, you can see it's impossible to shoot while we're making that, it's so limited room. Okay, now we're going to do the outer belt, which is for the AC. You can see it goes to the crankshaft, AC compressor and underneath the tensioner pulley. So let's go ahead and install this one now. Okay, so we're going to install the last one on the AC compressor. Okay, you start it from the crankshaft pulley, you get it under the tensioner. It's very limited room, so it's kind of like fishing in the dark guys, trying to get the socket on the tensioner there. Okay, once we do that we'll get back with you guys. Okay, so now we're just going to install it, okay, right there on the AC. Make sure that all the grooves line up really good on both belts. Okay, we're gonna let go. Everything looks good. Okay guys, that's how you replace the inner alternator belt on the MK5 2.5. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Help us grow that channel together. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.